I get it. You feel like buying a house is hard, but the good news is Key Steps is like the adulting with cheat codes. What the heck do I mean? So, obviously, we know that a home buying journey is something that is super important to most people. Totally get that. And I'm totally on board with that because, as you know, working in the mortgage space, I also believe that it is super, super important to buy a house. I actually bought my own house when I was only 22 years old. So I very much believe in the home buying journey, the home buying process, and all the things. But I'm going to be real. It feels complicated. It feels freaking hard. And yes, that's why you're out here Googling, searching, looking for videos that help you walk through the process. Or heck, maybe you went through it before and it was a hot mess. You didn't like how it made you feel. You didn't like the way that you weren't educated, and all that can change. And it's why I invested in Key Steps. It is something that we actually pay for, but none of our customers or consumers that we get in the program pay for it. So we're actually covering that cost for you, which is awesome. But basically, it is an app that literally is going to hold your hand through every step of the process, but it's not going to be clingy. So what do I mean by that? Well, when you go ahead, you get to decide how much and involved you want to get into that process. I myself have Key Steps. And so it is something that helps me track my credit. So I get notifications when my credit score is going up or down. So I can really see and understand how and when, I'm spending money or what my decisions, how they're being affected. I also have resources within there that explain to me why some of those things are the way that they are, which is super helpful. I can also track my savings. So how am I going through the process, right? Like, have I saved enough money yet? Do I need to maybe put a pin in that? Or maybe, I'm trying to work towards some down payment assistance programs, or maybe if my family member is going to give me a gift or something like that. There's lots of different choices there, but it's going to just help me kind of overall track. And I know you're saying to yourself now, well, you know what? Like, what the heck? I've got stuff that can track. I bank with such and such bank and they give me an idea of what my credit score is. Yes. And some banks do that, which is awesome. The problem is that a lot of times they're not giving you as much education as you'd like, number one. And then number two, a lot of times the scores that they're giving you do not actually correlate to what the mortgage company is going to look at and see. And so it's super important for you to understand that a tool like this is super, super helpful, right? And so your credit score does not have to be a mystery. It's going to break it down into real world, real understanding. You're going to be able to really have a clear understanding and clear picture of exactly where you're at there. For me, the thing that I like the best is as we were going through some of our moments where we had a little bit of more of a credit challenge with us personally, I was able to really keep a real-time idea of where my credit's at. Now, obviously, I have a lot of financial education, so I definitely understand that credit is very malleable and manipulatable. And what Key Steps is going to do is it'll help you also make suggestions of things that you can do to improve that journey, to improve that look, to be able to not be so in the dark. And so
Stay tuned. We'll be back right after this message from our sponsors.
Imagine having the power to control your financial destiny, no matter where you start. Welcome to the Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform, where financial education is tailored to your unique journey. We cover everything you need, from basic budgeting and saving strategies to advanced investing and retirement planning. Learn at your own pace with lessons that match your level of experience. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your financial knowledge, join our community of learners and benefit from shared insights and expert guidance. The Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform equips you with the skills and confidence to take charge of your financial future. Ready to master your finances? Enroll in our courses today at the Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform. Start your path to financial independence now.
Visit us at fms.tips and fms.college for more information.
Hello and welcome to PBJ Mortgage, where your home ownership dreams become reality. Today, we want to share why choosing PBJ Mortgage is the right choice for your home financing needs. At PBJ Mortgage, we're built on a foundation of values that drive us every day. Our commitment to educate, empathize, and empower our clients sets us apart in the mortgage industry. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do, and their success stories speak volumes. With years of experience, our team possesses in-depth knowledge of the mortgage programs, ensuring you receive expert guidance and the best possible rates. We offer a diverse range of loan options to suit your unique needs, including conventional, FHA, VA, and more. No matter your situation, we've got a solution. At PBJ Mortgage, we pride ourselves on providing personalized service. Our dedicated loan officers are here to guide you every step of the way, making the process as smooth as making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We understand that time is of the essence, which is why we've streamlined our processes for efficiency and convenience. Transparency and clear communication are paramount. You'll always know where you stand throughout your mortgage journey. Reach out to us today to set up a call to discover your options. If you're ready to make your home ownership dreams a reality, contact PBJ Mortgage today. Let us empower you during this exciting journey. Phone number 4-693-733-107 www.pbjteam.com. Visit our website or give us a call to get started. We look forward to helping you secure your future home. PBJ Mortgage, where home begins.
Thanks for your patience.
This really, really applies to PBJ. For those of you who know what PBJ stands for, it is making mortgage simple as making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. My whole aim is to educate you so that really all you have to do in the process is just follow some simple steps so that you can get your way to homeownership, right? So give you some informed choices and decisions that you can then make along the way so that we know that you're ending up exactly where you want to look. And so that is one of the reasons that we partner with this program, is that we wanted to ensure that we were holding true to our brand, that we were providing resources, and that the information wasn't being sold. Because that's the other thing. A lot of people don't realize that some of those great free programs actually are selling your information, right? Which is really unfortunate. It really sucks that people are selling information, and I totally get why. I wish that there were a ton of things in life that were free besides maybe joy, that there wasn't like some kind of catch. So now you're going to ask me, well, great, Jax, what's the catch for me to use KeySteps? And truthfully, obviously, what we want you to do is if you are ready to make that big step, I hope you want to consider myself and my team to do the mortgage for you, to help walk you through that journey. You're not going to hurt my feelings, though, if I am not your person. My biggest aim, honestly, in life is to help people financially succeed. It is what my life force is. It is what my mission is on this planet, is to help people financially succeed. I am very lucky and I'm very blessed to understand not just money, because a lot of people understand money possibly even better than I do, right? About some of the weird nuances and interest rates and these and that and whatever. But what I understand and what my secret sauce is and what I'm so good at is not only just understanding money, but understanding your alignment with money. And that these two things, right? The intersection of alignment and being able to utilize money in the ways that you can utilize it, that is my secret sauce, because that right there is really what helps you step into your own and step into your financial mastery. And it's exactly why I created my podcast, Financial Mastery Simplified. It's why I have my YouTube channel. It's why I wrote a book. All of the things, they're all there as resources to help you win this game. And so I seriously hope that you will take a minute, step away, check out KeySteps, sign up for it, so that you can know exactly where you're at. If you're not necessarily looking to buy a house, it is a little bit more house centric as far as the app goes. However, it can help you just understand your financial picture. Right? Maybe you're a while away from buying a home. That's absolutely okay, right? Like I said, my aim here is that you get the education that you need to make awesome, well-aligned choices in your financial life and in your financial journey. And buying a house is definitely one of those things we want to for sure be in alignment with, because it will make or break your life. It will make or break your marriage. It will make or break so many different things. And it's so important that you are making those choices. And I'm going to tell you a really quick story actually about why my financial situation has kind of been where it's been, and it has been a mortgage, it has been a house situation. And the only reason that this particular situation has not broken myself and my husband, although there has definitely been moments where we have been very close, has been because we were very aligned. We understood from an education perspective exactly where we were when we made the choice to purchase a house to begin with. And then we were very aligned on when we got ready to sell the house. And so with this alignment and with this education and with this stepping in to our power with intention, this is really what allowed us to make great decisions and make well-aligned decisions and purchase our own home with the same thing that I preach every single day. So even though it hasn't necessarily worked out exactly like we wanted it to, and please hear me, I don't care which guru is talking to you. I don't care which guru assures you that this is what's going to happen. Not even me. I cannot assure you what is going to happen. I could tell you all the statistics. I can tell you that homeownership is one of the largest wealth differentiators in existence. And that is not me saying that it will for sure be for you. I'm saying it because it is historically and statistically. Okay. But I have encountered people in my career and in my life where it has not been a great positive thing for them, right? Some of these people have been friends. Some of these people have been clients and things like that. And I totally get that. What I know is that you can't control life. Some of the things and what's going to happen to you, all you can do is live your life with intention, with education, right? Making sure that you're well informed and that you are making decisions that align with the life that you want and the life that you seek. And not every decision is going to work out. Not every choice that you make is going to be the perfect choice, especially when it comes to home buying. And so that's why it's so important for you to be the one that's informed and for you to be making decisions out of a place of alignment and power, because those choices, along with the professionals that you seek that hopefully are maybe pushing back on you a little bit, but still ultimately honoring your wishes and your goals and your desires. And if those things are happening, no matter how much life lifes, you're going to end out in a good position, right? And so even though, like I said, I can honestly and truthfully speak out of a place where Key Steps personally has helped me with my own situation, with my own financials, to understand exactly where I'm at on my path with the value of my home and everything else, right? All these cool things that it does. The truth is, it's just helped me in my journey. And so I wanted to make a really quick video because I wanted all of the people who subscribe to my channel and watch my channel to know this is a tool that is offered to you completely free of charge. I am taking on the cost. I am making sure that you have this resource available to you. That's because myself and my team are passionate about you making informed, aligned, educated choices, right? You might make big choices out of emotion, but you still can have a background of alignment, intention, and education. Hopefully this video was helpful to you to kind of understand, like, what is this resource that they're offering? How does it work? There definitely is more information that you can seek out and look about it, but I highly encourage you to check it out. And if you know of a friend or a family member who this could benefit, maybe it's not beneficial for you, but it's beneficial to somebody you know, please share it with them, because I know that I value all the people in my life and my circle, and I want them to succeed in a big and bad way, like I want to succeed in a big and bad way. And so again, I hope that this has been really, really helpful for you, and understanding that you don't have to just dream about home ownership, right? You can plan for it. And so you can sign up for Key Steps, and the link is, I think it's in our bio on the main page. That's one place it is. And then also we're going to make sure we include it in the notes as well, so that you can easily find it. We can't wait to follow you on this journey and just see where it goes, because there's literally nothing better than cheering each other on from the sidelines and everybody getting to exactly where they want to be. And I firmly believe that we all can win together.